milk. Okay, this one is lesser than Bua Loy. The first one, I want to make the flour, the ball. Okay, you like massage, right? When your mom get tired, what do you do? Massage. Okay, so today I want you to massage the flour for me. Okay? Okay. What? Bye bye. Okay. So this is sticky rice flour. Do you know the sticky rice? You know it? It's called the sticky rice flour in Thai. We call แป้งข้าวเหนียว แป้งข้าวเหนียว Yeah, make it soft like this. Okay, let me see. Wow. You like it?
You have to put it together.
ใช่ Okay, so it's too dry, right? So I will give you a little bit dropping. So you drop by yourself. Drop a little bit like that.
Drop water.
Right.
So is our goal, Chef, made for it to become a ball?
Yes.
Okay.
Make it like a sticky. See in the supermarket, when you see the color, most of them they use a color, food color.
Because
But I
it's
don't use
easy.
it. Try it's easy, but this one is made the dessert more healthy, more have more, and kids can eat easy.
Oh.
You know, some kids cannot eat digest 100% of carb. Some kids cannot eat. But if you put more vegetable, the kids can digest easy. Okay. We help you. Can I help you? Yes, very good.
Go like a Play-Doh.
Yeah. The sweet potato is too dry. It's not like pumpkin. So when you made this Bua Loy, the ball from the sweet potato, you have to use more liquid. But if you use this pumpkin, sometimes no need to add the water. The kids like this. The kids want to do this.
Yes.
This is like when you play and see the sand,
Yes.
the soil, the
Yeah.
mud, and like find them up Okay, make it more smooth. Okay. Okay, make it like that. Make it like a good ball. So this one, I will check. Let me check. When you do it, this one is a little bit wet, like you feel. If a little bit wet, a little bit now, you can add more flour. But you add, you have to
Bit by bit.
Cannot put directly. Okay.
And mix again.
I think that one. Make a big
Purple
ball.
pie.
Make a big ball to keep like that. This is like I will give you the taro, right? It's right. This is taro, it's right. Is that right? No.
Yeah.
What is it?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin. Wow. What do you get the color from the pumpkin?
Oops.
Yellow.